Hello everybody, welcome to the next episode of Dadas Trading System Workshop and Trade with Dadas series. Okay, so today's trade has been made on the DAX 30 index, and I'm showing it to you right now. What happened here? When I got to the platform after a couple of other things I had to do, deal with my clients and so on. And I saw the situation. Of course, the price, what the price did on the opening of the Frankfurt market, it went down. You see, well, in relation to the daily close of yesterday's, so it went down and it suddenly bounced back up, and of course it made a pretty strong, well, a relatively strong impulse in the bullish direction. Then it consolidated for a moment, so I quickly analyzed all the elements, and I saw that it was more likely to go up than to go down. So I entered on the M1 chart. On the first trade, I sort of came in a bit too tight with the stop loss, and I got my stop loss taken out. But then obviously the price continued on the M1. I'll show you on the M1 now. 1 minute chart, and here is the trades, right? You see, I entered here upon all the elements, right? So yeah, so you see that the trend was up and the candles were in the right color, and so I entered right here. So, and like I said, I put my stop loss a little bit too tight, perhaps a little bit too wishful. Should have been under this line right here, and then yeah, it would have been safe. Anyways, I re-entered right here because the price was sort of confirming this line as support. So I entered right there, this time with my stop loss a little bit wider, yeah, and okay, and then I continued trailing, right? I continued trailing my stop loss until I trailed it all the way up there, and at this moment the price was already nearing my take profit level, but it was also nearing my the DSWS measure level. Anyway, you know, I could have waited, but yeah, 40 pips was just what I needed, and that's I was absolutely satisfied with that. And that's it for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Visit me on my Patreon, visit me on my LinkedIn, find me on Forex Factory, Dadas. Find me on Polish forums. I'm also known as Dadas, and yeah, a few other nicks as well. Okay, so yeah, get in contact with me. Contact me through Facebook, contact me through LinkedIn, contact me through Skype, and yeah, okay. See you on the next episode.